National Newborn Week is a healthcare event celebrated between 15 to 21st November annually, intended to raise the awareness about the importance of childcare for child survival and development.
The neonatal phase, that is, of first 28 days of an infant life, which is a crucial time period for an infant, and it has the highest risk of death per day by infancy.
Causes of infant mortality and morbidity are birth asphyxia, low birth weight, infections, congenital abnormalities, and poor maternal health. Health complications that can strike in first 28 days is neonatal infection, respiratory distress, lung collapse, lung damage due to mechanical ventilation, and rapid breathing.
Significantly, 35% of the newborns die during their first month of age due to immature physical development.
33% due to the newborn infection, and approximately 9% die due to the congenital abnormalities,
20% due to intrapartum respiratory arrest and hypoxia.
So, the Newborn Care Week is celebrated to raise awareness and to provide necessity care to every newborn and to decrease the neonatal mortality.
So, the theme of the National Newborn Care Week 2025 is Safety, Quality and Nurturing Care.
Safety, which means to reduce the risk of infections, complications, and the birth injury.
Quality, that receiving the right kind of care at the right time. Nurturing care, which includes the breastfeeding, skin-to-skin contact, and the emotional bonding between a mother and a child.
To ensure the aim of this theme is achieved, essential newborn care is given. Essential newborn care is a routine care that is given to every newborn immediately after their birth and during the first month of their life.
Immediate care after the birth includes immediate drying. Immediate drying is the first and the most important step in the essential newborn care. It involves receiving the baby in pre-warmed sheet, thoroughly cleaning and drying the newborn's baby, more focused to be given on the skin folds of the baby's body. Make sure the room temperature is around 25 to 28 degrees Celsius.
So, next component is skin to skin contact. After drying, placing the baby over the abdomen and in between the breast of the mother, and cover the both baby and the mother with pre-warm sheet. That helps to provide the warmth and reduce the chances of hypothermia. Kangaroo mother care is a method of caring for preterm baby or low birth baby by placing the baby in the skin-to-skin contact with the mother. Initiate breastfeeding as soon as possible after birth to prevent chances of having hypoglycemia.
Now the benefits of breastfeeding to mother: work as a natural contraceptive, lower the risk of the ovarian and breast cancer, help to lose the extra weight, promote the involution of uterus, and the benefits to the child are prevent from the infection, protect from allergy, prevent from the malnutrition, and provide the essential nutrition and the emotional bonding. So the sign of good attachment, that is, baby's chin should touch the breast, baby's mouth wide open, lower lip turned outward, more areola visible above baby's mouth. Now the position of breastfeeding: bed lying position, cradle position, side lying position, cross cradle position, football position.
Proper cord clamping. Clamp and cut the cord after pulsation stop, typically 1 to 3 minutes after birth. Use trial instrument to cut and clamp the cord. Keep cord dry and clean. After birth, clean both eyes using separate cotton swab from inner to outer canthus. Do not apply anything on cord as well as on eye. Prevention of infection. As we all know that the babies have immature immune system, so the chances of having an infection is more in the children. According to the WHO, the clean chain gives the 6 C steps to prevent the risk of infection. The first step is clean attendant sand, clean delivery surface, clean toad cutting instruments, clean string to tie the toad, clean cloth to cover the baby, clean cloth to cover the mother.
The next component is monitoring and assessment of newborn. Immediately after the birth, every newborn is assessed to determine how well they are adapting to the life outside womb. The Apgar score is a quick method to assess newborn physical condition. It is performed 1 minute after birth, 5 minutes after birth. A 10-minute score is done if 5-minute score is low.
The last component of the essential newborn care is immunization. Immunization is an important care which is given to the newborn. So the vaccines which are given to the newborn at the time of birth are BCG, hepatitis B, and oral polio vaccine.
Safe delivery, skilled hands, newborn health across the land.